What's up with the YouTube? It's Legit Sully back at you with another video. Man, first off, I want to say I appreciate everybody that's been rocking with me, subbing up to the channel. We almost to our goal 1K, man. Before we get any further, man, stop what you're doing, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, man, hit that notification bell as well, man, because I am finna be coming through with more and more raffles, man. Also on my new IG page, Sully underscore Souls, I'm gonna be doing raffles on there as well. So y'all go over there and follow me, man. Also, before we get into the video, if you got any shoes that you want to keep clean, man, I recommend you go over to GoShoeCare.com and grab the premium shoe protector. What this does is it sprays a coating over your shoes, and it protects your shoes from any type of rain, mud, ketchup, mustard. I know y'all seen them videos where, you know, they be pouring the ketchup on the shoe and it just falls straight off. Man, that's what this is right here. Go Shoe premium shoe protector, man. And also, if you got any shoes that's beat and you want to bring them back to life, you know, you can use the Go Shoe Care cleaning solution, man. See, look, I'm almost out, man. I need to give me some more, man, because y'all know I get these shoes and, you know, clean them up, and then, you know, I flip them and make a profit. So like I said, go over to GoShoeCare.com, use my promo code LegitSully and save you 15%. Like, anybody that's shopping, use my promo code. If you email me, if you send me a DM on IG showing me that you purchased something, I will give you a shout out on my story, and I definitely give you a shout out in my next video. But anyway, enough of all that. Let's jump straight into the video. Here we go, man. In my hand, man, I got this real dope package, man. Now this thing right here, man, this is a real special gift for me, man. Now my wife, she has been trying to cop me one of these things, but every time they release, they always get sold out, man. Every time they release, you know, she be right there, right at the cusp of grabbing one, but it'd be sold out. But I got lucky, man. She was able to be quick with it, quick with the fingers, and put the information in, and bam, she was finally able to check out and caught me what's in this box right here. So we're gonna go ahead and get it open so y'all can see what it is. Let me get my little knife. Alright, you know. Whoop, cut that right there. Cut that right there. Alright, let's make sure we don't cut the inside of the package. Oh, okay. Let's go, man. Let me show y'all what we got. We got the boom, the Bearbrick, man. I finally got my first Bearbrick. You know, she had been wanting me to have one of these for the longest, and guess what? I finally got one. Now this is, you know, Medicom, you know, toy. They do a lot of Bearbricks and a lot of collabs with people. This particular collab right here is with extra large clothing. You know, it's a 400% and a 100% Bearbrick set. So you have the big one right here, and also you have the little bitty one right here. I'm definitely gonna get me a shelf, and you know, I'm gonna put that back up there in my background, man. Let's go ahead and get it out the box, man. Yeah, man, we finna get this thing open, man. I know y'all hear my son, and now he is, you know, calling me. So I had to go and see what he wanted, man. But we got him good now. Put it on his little cartoons, and hey, gotta keep him occupied. But anyway, this thing right here came from the NTWRK app. You know, the NTWRK app, they do a lot of drops, man. They got a lot of drops where they be kind of scheduled drops where they pretty much let you'll be able to see like a countdown timer of when it's gonna release. And then whenever that timer release, they drop the item, and you know, it's anywhere from like shoes, clothes, Bearbricks, toys. Like, I'm talking about Network app always drop all type of stuff, and they also do raffles on their app as well. So if you don't know what Network app is, I would definitely, you know, go try to download it and check out that, because they always have a lot of dope stuff on there. But we got this thing open. Let's go ahead and pull it out the box. Man, here we go. And then nothing else is in the box, you know. It just comes like this with a Bearbrick. You know, ooh, this is my first Bearbrick, man. I think I might, you know, my wife might have started something. She might have got me into the little Bearbrick gang. So I know a lot of them be going for some bread. You know, this one right here is going for roughly about, you know, 175, 200 bucks. So it's not that bad, and I get the set. So let's go ahead and look at it. So it comes wrapped up in the plastic like this. And you do see, and it's like a hard kind of plasticky material, and this is what it looks like. You know, this is what it looks like right here, and this is actually pretty neat. I'm gonna show y'all the big one, then I'll show y'all the small one first. So the big one is, you know, it has the extra large clothing branded on it. Oh, the head actually spins, you know, so you can like mix it up. You can mix up the so I'm gonna show y'all. So you got the extra large clothing brand, and it says D-Face kind of right there. If that'll focus. Is it gonna focus? Let me get that to focus right there. Nope. Let me put it up a little closer. But it says D-Face right here in the corner. Has the little gorilla in the background right here with that extra large branding. Then you got the little mean mug face right here. As well, on this side, you have D-Face. It says D-Face, and then it has, you know, a little kind of weird looking face. And yeah, man, I'm guessing you can like turn this around this way, turn this around that way. Like you can kind of mix and match it, man. This thing is real dope. And then so it's kind of neat because the small one is exactly like the big one. It's just a little bitty. Like, look at how cute it is, huh? Look at how cute the little one is. That's funny. But anyway, yeah, man. I finally got me a Bearbrick into the collection, man. This thing is going right behind me, and it's gonna be on display. What y'all think about the new pickup, man? Is it dope or is it nope? Let me know, man. Let me know. Put it in the comments below. Like I said at the beginning of the video, hit that subscribe button, man. Our goal for this year is 10K. You know, we got a long way to go, and we got a lot of work to do. Not only do I have a lot of work to do, but y'all got some work to do too. So y'all got to hit that subscribe button. Yeah, man. And also, go to GoToShoeCare.com. Use my promo code LegitSully so you can save 15%. But anyway, like I always say, tomorrow is not promised. So take advantage of today. Until next time, it's Legit Sully. I'm out of here.